Hello friend, welcome again your own channel Mind Thunder. So in today's video I will know about Realme, Oppo, Poco, Vivo, Xiaomi handset due to many comments in on this said handset. So it's known from the comments that there is a lots of locking complaint is coming. So if you are also thinking that the pin pattern finger face in my phone should be unlocked somehow, then this video will prove to you very effective for you. For you have to do nothing. I am telling you just some simple steps you have to follow with me, and you can remove the pin pattern sitting at home. So get ready to unlock your phone. First put your phone in flight mode. Make sure your phone must be have to in flight mode. So you can see my phone is flight mode, and now you can see emergency calls option bottom on the screen on your handset. So press on it, and I am going to share you some unlocking master unlocking code, and this is very effective for you. So and this code may be support in many handset and may not be support in many handsets, so please confirm completing this video. So this code is very easy: star 986550 star 955 and hash, and press the home button, call button, sorry, and press minimum 5 times. Erase this number and apply this code star hash 8999 and hash. Now you can see there are lots of option is coming. So now we have to check your software version. Now you can see in fifth number we have to click on software version. So Android version, if your Android version is 12, so mm, click on manual test and go the last others option, and you whatever your Android version or mainboard version. Android version is my Android version is 12. Similarly your Android version is 8, 9, 10, 7, 6, anything. Press the same number here, so I am going to press 12 times. After that you have to press reset important log test and confirm the here, and now you can see your password is reset, and press after completing all the process. Now it's turn to press the home button. We have to check our phone is whether phone is our phone is unlocked or not. As you can see our phone is unlocked without help of any system or service center, and without loss of any data. Our phone is unlocked without help of any data or lost. So I hope you guys, you can, if you like this video, you can subscribe our channel, like and share.